Hello everyone, my name is Georgie, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're building a editing slash gaming PC. In this moment, I'm editing on my old laptop, which is Asus something, I'm not sure actually. And it's not quite powerful and it's pretty old, so I decided to build a new one. First of all, I'll show you all the components, all the parts and the price actually. Second part of the video is gonna be how to build your own PC. I'm gonna show you step by step everything you have to know. So let's start with the CPU. That's Ryzen 3700X, 8 core, 16 threads. The price is gonna be up there. For our graphics card, we went for MSI AMD GTX 1660 Super Game. The price also is gonna be up there. For motherboard, we got MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. You might judge me of my choice, but that's it, it's already done. I bought it already, so I tried to save some money for better CPU and better GPU. So that's the motherboard of choice. For our SSD, Western Digital 500 gig. For RAM, CORSAIR Vengeance, which is 16 gig. In our case, right here, CORSAIR Carbide Series 5, something like that. And for our power supply, we went for 650 watts of CORSAIR. So that's all the parts. Let's start building the PC. So, what do you need? You need your motherboard, you need your CPU, you need your RAM. That's the first three things you need. But actually, you're gonna need your power supply as well. So first of all, put your power supply next to you, somewhere there. Turn it off. Take your power cable. Pull it in. And pull it right there. So before you start, just touch it. Doesn't mean you ground it. No static electricity is gonna damage your motherboard or your other components. Open your box. Take out the motherboard. Put it on top. Make sure there's that one. And take it out. Be careful, it's a bit fragile. Put it on top of the box, not safe. So, first thing we're gonna install is our CPU. So, you have to open your CPU. The CPU phone, we're gonna need it in a bit. That's your actual CPU. So, open the box. And the CPU as well. Make sure, just catch it from the corners. Really easy. And lift it. So, see that lever right here? Pull it out, lift it up. You can see that golden triangle. You have to align it with the triangle on the motherboard, which in my case right here. So you can see that golden triangle aligned with the middle motherboard. Then pull the lever down, and that's it. The CPU is installed. Pull, open it. A few cables, you need only just one most likely. Anyway, put the box somewhere else. Just make it tidy, put everything back in the box. So it's pretty simple. The plastic off, the top off as well. You can see those pins right there. Make sure both of them are in and take it. No worries, won't break, and that's it. Locked, won't go anywhere. Take it, the guide, and that's it, that's it. After that, you need your RAM. So for the RAM, we're gonna use the second and the first slot. Open the second, open the third. Take it, align that rail notch right there. Align it. That's it. The RAM is installed. So next step, we have to install our SSD. That little body right here. In your motherboard box, you're gonna find that little package which contains those two, which is male to female. Take your SSD, put it up right there and see on which hole you have to put it in. So that one. Take it, screw it in. Take your SSD, 30 degrees angle, put it in, press it down. Use that little screw to secure it. And then over tied it. That's it. Secure. Take your case. What? So you can see now that's our motherboard screws and two zip ties, which are actually gonna come really handy. So next thing you have to do is to install your motherboard in the case. So take your I/O shield. It's like that. Yeah, it should be like that. Put it 1, 2, 3, 5. That's it. Take your motherboard. Make sure, so you can see those standoff points, they're normally 9. That's your resting point, which is gonna be right there. You have to align them perfectly with your motherboard. So put it in the case. So after your motherboard is in place, take the motherboard screws to look exactly like that. And screw it in. That's it. Pretty simple. After you install your motherboard screws, make sure there's no plastic around the motherboard or something like that. I have right here, just take it, peel it off. Here you go. Next step, unplug your power supply. Take your power supply. Always remember the fan facing down. The HD audio, plug it straight there. Alright, in the pins. And that's it, snapped. Down. Pretty simply, we're gonna power our CPU. Cable for the camera right here. For some reason I didn't record how to put your GPU, so I'm gonna show you right now. That's our CPI slot. See that lever? Just pull it back. Don't forget, right there on the side, you have to remove one of those plates. Actually, two of those plates. Then take your GPU. Make sure that lever is all the way there. Align the notches. And just pull it in. That's it. Installed. Next thing we have to do, we have to install our fans. This one.